out the way like damn. 10 hoes try to get in my van. Lapped up trying to get my pants. Get low for me, baby, no hands. Goddamn, like damn. In the ends, I'm feeling like bam. Throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like, do you know who I am? Stick with me, I got a plan. 10 hoes try to get in my van. Lapped up trying to get my pants. Get low for me, baby, no hands. Goddamn, like damn. 10 hoes try to get in my van. Lapped up trying to get my pants. Get low for me, baby, no hands. Goddamn, like damn. In the ends, I'm feeling like bam. Throwing bands and it's making them dance. Like, do you know who I am?
My name is Thomas. Nearly 20 years ago, through a strange series of events, I ended up in Sweden and became a chef. Yeah! This has been a year. After 2 decades of working for other people, I hit a breaking point. I decided I'm done waiting. I'm finally chasing my dream to become the world's first full-time stagiaire, traveling the globe, working in the most exotic kitchens, in the most fiery, story-filled places on this planet. There is so much happening right now, and with everything that's coming up just around the corner, I'm starting to believe this might actually work.